Hi, welcome to Permanent Magnets Limited. Today we will take a look at how to assemble the RH series magnetic sweeper. Before assembling, let's take a look at what all comes in the box. Firstly comes the magnetic base with the wheels. This comes pre-assembled. With it comes this rod with handle and the lever handle. Two flat rods, identical in shape and size. And now the smaller bits, you get two 30 mm height screws, one 25 mm height screw, one 20 mm height screw, and two 15 mm height screws. You also get one nut which is closed, and you get 5 open-ended nuts. Of large diameters, and you get 3 small diameter spacers, and you get one ring which is really small, which you're going to slide inside the screw like this. So now let's take a look at how to assemble the magnetic sweeper. Firstly, we take this rod and the larger portion, we slide it through this part. We make sure the holes match, and we take a 30 mm screw and slide it through. And we take the closed nut and then we tighten it from the behind. Once this is done, we take the rod with the handle. And before assembling it, we have to make sure that the handle bit is facing downwards, not upwards like this. It should be facing downwards. So we slide that through over here. Make sure the holes match. We take another 30 mm height screw. We slide it through. And then we tighten it using a nut. Now the only bit left is to assemble the lever. So we take the 2 flat rods. First flat rod, we place it over here like this. Before doing that though, we take the 25 mm screw, we take one small spacer, slide it through, then we take one big spacer, slide that through, and slide that through this bit of the flat rod, and then we slide that through the hook. Then we take a large spacer again, and then 2 small spacers, and then we tighten that using the nut. Now we then take the second flat rod and make sure the 2 holes are aligned, and then we connect these 2 rods using the 15 mm height screws. Now we connect this bit to the lever handle. We make sure this hole matches the hole over here. and we take this 20 mm screw, take this tiny spacer and put it through the screw like this. And then we tighten it. And now, once this is done, you make sure that you tighten all the nuts again using a spanner. And once you're sure everything is tight, then your sweeper is completely assembled and it's ready to use. And the lever works like this.